Now, you may have heard of ChatGPT.
OpenAI, artificial intelligence, their new technology, GPT-4.
It is going to eliminate a lot of current jobs, that's true. We can make much better ones.
Became the fastest growing tech product in history.
A new technology that's making waves in the world of AI, ChatGPT.
New artificial intelligence tool known as ChatGPT is gaining popularity for its ability to craft emails, write research papers, and answer almost any question in a matter of seconds. It is a powerful new technology with extraordinary potential, but there are also warnings about the huge risk of misuse.
Imagine an AI that not only understands your words, but also comprehends the nuances, context, and even humor behind them. That's the amazing future of ChatGPT. OpenAI recently introduced a new feature called Browsing for subscribers of ChatGPT Plus. It allows ChatGPT to search Bing for answers to your questions. The browsing feature can be enabled by heading to the new features section of the app settings, selecting GPT-4 in the model switcher, and choosing Browse with Bing from the drop-down list. Browsing is available on both the iOS and Android ChatGPT apps. Oh yeah, if you don't know, ChatGPT has its app too, which is available in more than 30 countries and is free to use, free from ads, and allows for voice input. The app is also integrated with Whisper, OpenAI's open-source speech recognition system, to allow for voice input. There are rumors suggesting that OpenAI is considering creating an app store for AI software. This would make it easier for users to discover and install AI models like ChatGPT. Additionally, there are hints that OpenAI might be working on a ChatGPT-powered virtual assistant. ChatGPT was unveiled in an early demo on November 30th, 2022, and it quickly became a viral sensation.
Intelligence tool is going viral for cranking out entire essays in a matter of seconds.
And it's called ChatGPT.
People were amazed by its capabilities, using it for travel planning, creative writing, coding, and more. Within just 5 days, ChatGPT gained over 1 million users. Let's take a journey through the timeline of GPT models. It all started with GPT-1 in June 2018, featuring 117 million parameters. But the improvements didn't stop there. GPT-2 and GPT-3 took the AI world by storm, exponentially expanding the model's capabilities. The latest iteration, GPT-4, continues this trend of exponential improvement, likely bringing real-time internet searching and image capabilities. Companies are recognizing the enormous potential of ChatGPT and incorporating it into their products and services. GitHub Copilot uses OpenAI's Codex engine to provide autocomplete features for developers. Bing, the search engine, leverages GPT technology to challenge Google's dominance. Even Mercedes has made its cars more conversational by integrating ChatGPT. Startups are also utilizing this technology to accelerate their growth. People have embraced ChatGPT in creative ways. Writers collaborate with it as a co-author, overcoming writer's block and generating innovative ideas. Artists use ChatGPT to create unique illustrations and explore new story concepts. AI-generated music has also witnessed ChatGPT composing melodies based on given parameters. ChatGPT's incredible rise has inspired competitors to push the boundaries. Google's Bard has entered the scene, aiming to offer a similar conversational experience. The AI landscape is constantly evolving as companies strive to deliver the most advanced language models. While ChatGPT has made remarkable advancements, it does have limitations and some serious problems. The most concerning issue is privacy and data breaches. Recent news reports indicate that over 100,000 ChatGPT accounts have been compromised in the past year, with user information like IP addresses actively traded on the dark web. Despite privacy concerns and occasional instances of incorrect information, ChatGPT still represents a significant leap forward for society. The future holds tremendous potential, and we can't wait to see what lies ahead. What are your thoughts on the future of AI and ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates.